Hello everyone, Dr. Archie is here, and today's discussion is about ZPHC, HGH and Anavar. I'm going to discuss about these two, and because I promised that I'm going to make a video for them and it still haven't happened. In this video I'm going to explain why it didn't happen, and I'm going to give you an option to help that this happen as fast as possible. So I have the BTC link to my wallet in the description, which you can support and send fund. Once this fund reach the point for any of this product, I'm gonna purchase them and I'm gonna run the test and I'm gonna make the video about it. That's the easiest way. And the only thing you can do is once you send the BTC to me, please email me, write your name and also say the fund that you sent to me is for which product. So the fastest any of this product reach the point that I can purchase them and I do the run, I will go and make the video for them. I will buy it and make the video for them. Some of you guys have suggested kindly that you can send me the sample. There is a big problem here. First of all, if I receive HGH from each one of you, and I run the test and it's a broken peptide or it's not HGH, the peaks are different and so on, I cannot say ZPHC HGH is bad because I don't know how did you store this product. I don't know how the product stored before it reached me or it reached you. So all of these factors will contribute to me just wasting my time, and at the end there is no perfect clue. So that's why I do not accept. I promised that I'm gonna do it, but it didn't happen. And the reason I said I'm gonna do it because I received a confirmation from ZPHC company that they're gonna provide HGH and they're gonna provide Anavar in the future for me. That's why first I promised the HGH. I have the email that I received from the person named John. He's very nice guy, he's very authentic. But so for some reason, I'm not sure, maybe my video doesn't have enough view or so many other reasons. Some people say maybe their product is not ready or their product have some fault, which I doubting. I'm not sure about that. I haven't tested yet. But for any reason, they didn't send it to me. So this is the situation. I'm not blaming them that they have a counterfeit. I'm not saying that because the past two products they received from John, they were legit, and I will share the information with you. I gave it to some people who used it and they were very happy with the results. So that is the reality for this situation. Again, as usual, I do not advocating of taking any steroid or human growth hormone, and all of this is for entertainment purposes, and basically I want to help you to get the brand that has least amount of side effect. I hope this video was interesting. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.